Hey guys, welcome back to Digitalized, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get WhatsApp channel verified. Alright, let's get started. So over here, first open your WhatsApp application. So here you can see this is our official WhatsApp account, and to get WhatsApp channel verified, the first step is to create a WhatsApp channel. So over here you can see various WhatsApp channels, they are all verified. So if you want to get your WhatsApp channel verified, what you have to do is first create your channel and make sure you have a channel name and channel description as well. So your channel name should be something simple and your channel description should have a related description. For example, if you want to post article and news, you should mention that in your description that this channel is about our article, news article and vlogs. So yeah, that is how you should create your channel. So here you can see I will create a simple channel. So over here I'll give my channel a name, and over here you have to give a related description to the channel. So for example, I'm going to provide a short information. So here I have given a specific description that I'm gonna be posting some short information in the channel. So once you have done that, here you can see our channel has been created successfully. So now once I start uploading some short information or article, WhatsApp will automatically detect my channel, and once WhatsApp sees that our channel is getting traction, then WhatsApp will automatically verify your channel. So here you can see there are various channels with millions of followers that have been verified. So yeah, that is the only way that you can get your channel verified. All you have to do is keep posting and WhatsApp will automatically verify your channel based on the number of followers and engagement. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.